Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. Some of our boating friends have been asking me about the boat launch at Delnor-Wiggins. Yes, it is open. The kayak launch over here is open. But remember, we are on the honor system, so please pay your entrance fee and your boat ramp fee when you come out here. You can either pay cash into the green cash box, the Iron Ranger, or scan the QR code with your mobile device. Very quiet out here right now. Gloomy day. I want to warn you ahead of time, the road's a little rough coming over here. Some of the pavement's gone. Same with the parking lot here. Empty parking lot today. But the good news is it is open. This is a great place to launch your boat to get out into the Gulf of America. Quick access. So when you come out here, be courteous to others when you're using the launch. There's a nice little dock that goes around the corner there for fishing. All right, just wanted to let you know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Tally ho, God bless.